Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to enable Authenticator app on Discord. Now to enable Authenticator app on Discord, the first thing you need to do is open up your Discord app, tap on your profile icon at the bottom, then tap on the gear icon at the top right, tap on account, and then you see enable Authenticator app, tap on it. Next thing you need to do is to download an Authenticator app. You can download and install Authy, that is this one, or Google Authenticator for your phone or tablet. And once you're done, tap on next. Now let's go back. If you tap on their names here, they'll take you to where you can download them, or you can download them for a Google Play Store or Apple App Store, depending on the device you're using. Once you've downloaded it, you tap on next. Then you have to enter the two-factor authenticator code that's appearing here. You can copy it and then you go to the app, Authenticator app that you downloaded, open up the Authenticator app and paste this two-factor authenticator code there. And then you press on next. Now once you've pasted the code there, you'll be given a code also in the Authenticator app that you have to enter here. And once you've done that, once you enter the code, you tap on save or next. Just follow the on-screen prompt. It's easy to connect the two. Hope you found this video helpful.